Hello, hello, hello everyone. How are you all doing today? My name's Linda and I'm in Warrington here in the UK, and today I've got just a small yarn haul from Expression Fibre Arts. Back in January, Chandy had this pattern for free. It's called Giselle, and I really liked it, and so I purchased the yarn. You know, I've got quite a bit of Chandy's yarn from Expression Fibre Arts, and the yarn is kind of a creamer sock yarn. So let's get into it, shall we? Just a little yarn haul, but I just wanted to share with you what I got. If I can get into it, get me a pair of scissors. I'm using my little scissors that the lovely Cynthia, Joyful Cynthia, sent me. So let's see what I've got, eh? Let's see what I've got. Oh, look at that. Now, you know I love blue and browns together, my all-time favourite colour combination. So, I need the scissors again, guys. Being careful not to cut my yarn. That's what you want to do, isn't it? So, I've got a lovely bookmark. And it says, "Let us always meet each other with a smile. For the smile is the beginning of love," and that is by Mother Teresa. Isn't that lovely? That's really nice, and I like that Chandy always puts these bookmarks in. And so what have I got? So this is Expression Fibre Arts, a positive twist on yarn. And when life is rough, make soft things. So we've got the Mouse King creamer sock, 70% superwash merino, 30% mulberry silk, and there's 350 yards. Needle size is a US 0 to 7 or a crochet hook B to G, and that is the colour. Can you see all the different colours? The blues and the different shades of browns. There's taupes in there. So I've got, for my size, I needed 4. So look at them. Look at the blues. So I reckon this sweater will look really nice in that yarn. And it's so soft. Look at how soft and squishy that is. So I've got 4 of them. And I did interview Chandy back in January, so I'll put the link to the interview. She was a real sweetheart, and yeah, so whoops, just don't be greedy, Linda. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm not sure when, but oh god, guys, it's so soft. There's little specks of burgundy in there, and citrus green. Oh, it's really nice, really nice. I can't wait to get this on the needles. And I do believe it is knitting. Yes, it's a knitted pattern. But can you see the detail on the yoke? That is going to be lovely, lovely. So guys, that's all from me. All from me for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for becoming part of my YouTube family. Really looking forward to getting to know you all. For all your comments, for all your likes. If you are new here and you've only just found me, then please consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon, so every time I upload a video, which is 3 times a week, and I do a live on a Wednesday at 5 PM British Summer Time GMT, and which is 12 noon Eastern. So wherever you are in the world, take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.